What's up, fam? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. We're out today putting out flyers, just so you know. We're trying to increase our route density, and one of the things that we're doing is we're putting prices on our cards so we can go ahead and give the customer what they really want, and what they want to know is how much it's going to cost us. We got our segways that's going to be going out, and we're going to be falling behind them with the truck. So I also did a little something by making up an actual route map for the guys to make sure it's done right. So that's what we're doing today. Tag along with us and see what we're gonna do.